All right. Thanks everybody for joining. My name's Natan, and I'm the founder and CEO of Anote AI. Today, we're going to be sharing a really exciting new launch announcement called Pale Blue Dot. Let's give a round of applause to the incredible team, friends, and stakeholders who made this possible. Today, we're really going to be discussing 4 key things. We're going to provide a quick overview of what is the Pale Blue Dot launch and why we're doing this. We're going to show a few different product launches, and different members of the Anote team will go into details and share some video demos of the incredible products we built. After that, we'll discuss a generative AI research and development talks, so presentations that our team gave on really cutting-edge frontier AI topics. I definitely recommend giving them a watch after, and we'll show a quick montage of what this looks like. And after that, we'll open the floor to Q&A. For our key friends and stakeholders, we'll send over a separate link, and feel free to ping me if you have any feedback, questions, things that we can do better, things you like, things you don't like, things that we could do to improve the product. And we'll also celebrate the incredible work that our team has done this summer. So what is the Pale Blue Dot? Our goal with kind of doing this launch is similar to our goal with doing other launches. We basically believe that AI is this incredible technology that has the potential to really have an incredibly positive impact on people's lives. However, there's becoming an increasingly large gap between the AI experts and the everyday people who actually want to use this AI. So our goal with kind of doing this Pale Blue Dot launch is to help make AI more accessible and bridge that gap between the incredible positive impact that AI can have and just the everyday tasks that people care about doing. To that end, we've kind of prepared a few things, and we want to hear your honest feedback. We want to go through a few different products that we're launching related to the MLOps platform, Armor community, autonomous intelligence, evaluation languages, and synthetic data and multimodality. And we also want to share some really interesting research talks that our team has kind of done, where we've kind of explored the frontier of AI. I'm excited to get started and show this all to you, and we're really grateful for your time and for our family and friends and for our stakeholders, and we're excited to hear your thoughts. First up, we have Chuxin talking about the MLOps platform.
Thanks, Natan. Anote is an end-to-end MLOps platform that enables organizations to obtain the best language model for their data. Our evaluation framework compares zero-shot LLMs, such as GPT, Claude, Llama 3, and Mistral, with the fine-tuned LLMs trained on domain-specific data via supervised, unsupervised, and RLHF methods. We provide a data annotation interface to transform raw unstructured data into LM-ready formats, incorporating subject matter expertise to improve accuracy. End users can route or integrate the best model into secure, on-premise private chatbots and interact with our SDK for fine-tuning. Let's show a demo of the MLOps platform.
With the Anote MLOps platform, you can turn unstructured data into production-ready AI, all in one place. Labeling. Start by uploading structured or unstructured datasets, connecting to data sources, or pulling from Hugging Face. Choose your task type, label a few examples, and the platform labels the rest with active learning. That output from labeling can be used to train your data for your model. Train. Fine-tune large language models using supervised learning, unsupervised learning, or reinforcement learning with human feedback, making them more accurate and tailored to your domain needs. Predict. You can use a trained model ID or upload a spreadsheet, select your model, and generate results. Run batch predictions with few-shot learning and ensemble models for higher accuracy. enhanced retrieval with advanced RAG techniques like semantic chunking, query expansion, and re-ranking. Evaluate, compare zero-shot and fine-tune models side by side. Measure performance with many different metrics like accuracy, recall, F1 score, answer relevance, and faithfulness. And finally, integrate. Once you've found the best model, integrate it into your workflow via SDK, API, or chatbot. Power real-time predictions and enterprise-ready AI assistance. All this on the Anote MLOps platform.
Thank you so much, Shuksin. The MLOps platform is a really incredible product and has the potential to really save a lot of time and money, but provide really accurate labels and models. And we've been really excited to see a lot of our customers use it in practice. Next up, we have a really exciting product, one that you were actually the co-lead for. And I'm really excited to kind of maybe share a bit about the Armor community.
Of course. So the Armor community is an initiative for us to accelerate human-centered AI through events, open resources, and real-world collaborations and connections. It is where AI practitioners, researchers, developers, and users come all together to share their knowledge and experience, creating this open hub for responsible and accessible AI adoption. So we're also going to show a demo video to highlight Armor as a community initiative.
Armor Institute. With the success of building our New York AI community, we wanted to expand nationwide. This includes cities such as Boston, Washington, D.C., LA, and many other places. Let's take a look at what Armor has to offer. Events show upcoming and past meetups, hackathons, and even workshops both in your city and online, including this Pale Blue Dot event. The Members tab shows hundreds of community members who enrich our community. AI researchers, builders, and operators are just a click away to connect. AI courses. This includes many free resources for you to deep dive into how AI works and help deepen your skills. These resources help build our product today. Our content library contains all of our videos and talks from our community experts on AI that you can access at any time. Agents contain a list of numerous different AI agents that can help you use AI in ways that you never thought of. Coffee chats. Access the emails and LinkedIns of many of our successful Anote community members to schedule one-on-one chats. From Meta to Amazon, our network is wide. Want to shoot your shot to top AI organizations? Send a quick intro to hiring managers and recruiters through our job referral tab, where you can quickly access their contacts. AI Job Board shows you countless openings in AI, machine learning research, and data science from all different companies around the world. And lastly, our Anote local hubs. Here you can see all the potential venues, events, and speakers in different regions and cities. All this in one place, Armor Institute.
Wow. Armor seems like an incredible community where you can get to really meet people and really is really aligned with our mission of helping make AI more accessible. So thanks so much, Juksin.
Thank you, Justine. I'm going to speak about autonomous intelligence. Autonomous intelligence is an open source research project focused on collaborative multi-agent AI systems. Our framework provides infrastructure to create, manage, and deploy multiple AI agents that coordinate tasks, explain the reasoning, and operate effectively in dynamic or sensitive environments. This work lays the foundation for autonomous systems that are explainable, secure, and mission-ready. Now we're going to show you a video demonstrating autonomous intelligence.
This is Autonomous Intelligence, an open source platform to build intelligent, collaborative teams of AI agents. Agents communicate naturally, powered by large language models like GPT, Claude, Gemini, Mistral, and Llama. Here, the agent is tasked to summarize the document that was uploaded. It handles the request autonomously, from text generation to advanced document analysis, and generates a response within seconds. You can even see the AI's reasoning along with the tools used. Simple tasks such as this are just the building blocks to support dynamic workflows. Agents can be assigned tools while also being grouped into crews to collaborate on more complex processes, just like human groups do. From taking on tasks such as AI-assisted coding, grant writing, outreach automation, and job applications, our agents can help you. Autonomous intelligence makes it simple to assign tasks, connect tools, and monitor performance while being open source. Ready for you.
Thanks so much, Rishav. Autonomous intelligence is really the future of AI, where you have these agents working together in teams to actually do a lot of the end-to-end workflows people care about, an interface similar to ChatGPT. We're really excited to see how people use this product and are excited to iterate on the feedback you guys have. The next product launch we have is related to evaluations in languages. Arya, want to take it away?
Yeah, thank you, Natan. So, as a part of this launch, Anote has launched the Model Leaderboard, which is a benchmarking hub for the transparent evaluation of models across tasks like classification, extraction, summarization, translation, and vision. And our goal for this leaderboard is that enterprises, developers, researchers, and more can submit their own models and within days see how they perform relative to peers. We really want to foster the AI community here. Moreover, we've created these multilingual evaluation framework benchmarks in line with the work the Migrate team has done over the summer. And this framework benchmarks models not only in English, but across so many languages such as Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, and more to help global communities measure model performance on their own terms. And I think we have a demo.
Yeah, thanks so much, Arya. That was amazing. And we have a demo of this product. It's working today on our dashboard at privatechatbot.languages. Let's take a look.
To make AI more accessible for people around the world, we're focusing on languages, expanding both our chatbot languages and our model evaluation system. When users open the chatbot, they can now choose to speak in 5 new different languages: Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, or Arabic. These aren't just translation settings. Each chatbot is fine-tuned specifically for each language, trained to respond only in that language. This keeps the experience focused, fluent, and natural. We're also introducing a new feature, Document Upload. Users can now upload files in their selected languages and chat with the model directly to ask questions, get summaries, or clarify details, all in the language they're most comfortable with. But what model should power each language? That's where our evaluation system comes in. We test a wide range of models, including GPT, Claude, and Gemini, across tasks like multilingual conversation, document Q&A, summarization, and more. To measure performance, we use BLUE, a standard metric in machine translation that compares a model's output to expert human responses. The higher BLUE scores mean a better alignment, better accuracy, and more natural results. Those are then fed into our leaderboard, ranking models from highest to lowest BLUE scores. The best performing model becomes the one that we use in our chatbot. From supporting just one language to adding 5 new languages, our chatbot is evolving to be more inclusive, more capable, and more accessible for everyone.
Amazing. The Languages project is really core to our mission of trying to help people leverage AI in a variety of different languages in a really robust and accurate way. So thanks, Arya and team, for the incredible work there. Lastly, we have a really exciting new product that we're launching today, the synthetic data and multimodality. Rajshri, you want to take it away here?
Yeah, sure. So over the summer, we also worked on synthetic data and multimodality, as Nathan said. So synthetic data is the fuel for accessible AI. Our SDK and API synthetic data gen It generates realistic text, vision, audio, video, and multimodal datasets that enable evaluation or fine tuning of models like YOLO, faster RCNN, and even when the label data is pretty scarce. So, with a single generate interface, modality specific generators, built in quality checks, and evaluation hooks, teams can go from prompt to validated data, further to benchmark ready splits with minimal effort. So this really accelerates frontier AI research while lowering costs. So right now we'll show you a demo for the synthetic data and multimodal uh, models.
Welcome to Anote. Our mission is to make AI more accessible to more people in more ways. To do that, we're building tools for multimodal AI, systems that learn from text, images, video, audio, and interactions. Let's start with object detection. It powers drones, self-driving cars, robotics, and environmental monitoring, giving machines the ability to understand the physical world. We evaluated models like YOLO V8, faster RCNN, and grounding Dino on real-world datasets, like aerial surveillance and underwater scenes. Zero-shot performance was limited, but once fine-tuned on relevant data, these models improved significantly. But to fine-tune these models, we need more data, and that's where synthetic data comes in. So how does this work? With Anote, users provide a prompt or upload examples. Our system selects the best generation method across image, video, and more. For images, we use tools like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion to generate scenes, then label them automatically using detection models like YOLO or SAM. For video, we use both diffusion and simulation-based generators such as Video Crafter, Animate Diff, Unity, and Blender. The result is a structured dataset, ready for training or evaluation. Here's the steps to generate a dataset. First, the user enters a prompt or searches for a dataset. Then, our API routes the request to the best generation method. After that, the user can configure the model and dataset options. And finally, the system returns a structured, labeled dataset ready for training, testing, or evaluation. This is done in just 4 simple steps. From synthetic data generation to real-world object detection, we're all building towards an accessible AI future. Here at Anote.
Yeah, that's amazing. And what's really special about the synthetic data project is it helps you really do AI without kind of jeopardizing your private and sensitive data, and it provides like a robust training data set to optimize model performance. Product launches are one thing, but another thing is the kind of core to our vision of making AI accessible. And for that, we provided a lot of generative AI research and development talks on different areas of interest that we've seen with our community where people want to learn more about AI. Francesca, want to take it away and share more about these talks?
Sure, Natan. Thank you. So we had over 40 plus AI talks across diverse topics, including making AI accessible, browser use, personalized chatbots, model evaluations for translation tasks, smart orchestration, agent registry, autonomous systems, and so much more. Our overall goal for this is to help the research and make AI more accessible. With that, we have a few clips to show you and a video montage from the talks that the team has worked on over this summer.
So we're trying to reduce the manual work, repetitive tasks, so that companies, individuals, founders can all focus on tasks that actually matter.
Agentic AI refers to AI systems that can autonomously plan, act, and adapt to achieve goals.
So, what is an evaluation leaderboard? In fact, it's a centralized platform for benchmarking AI models on a wide range of NLP tasks.
Framework, and where we did a research project to benchmark and fine-tune several different computer vision models for object detection.
I've interned at Anote, and over the past few months, I've had the opportunity to help build and shape a platform that is focused on improving accessibility and making collaborative AI-powered tools.
This overlay eliminates the need to switch tabs or dig through payer websites by allowing users to ask natural language questions like drug coverage, site care eligibility, or clinical.
And
find a airplane that had the AIM-120D missile, or if truly no planes had the AIM-120D missile, it could go through the database and find similar sort of aircraft with the missile.
To upload file inputs, and it can accept and interpret uploaded files in multiple different languages, regardless if it's in English, Chinese, or any other of the supported languages. And the chatbot will process them correctly.
So, as you can see, there are 335 million people in the USA, but only 50% of US adults have actually used ChatGPT.
Most AI tools now often give generic answers or shallow responses, which don't reflect deep understanding or critical thinking. There's also a lack of goal alignment with some of the model outputs.
So we're trying to reduce the manual work.
Thanks so much, Francesca. These talks were really remarkable. It kind of goes to show how much everyone has kind of learned and grown, and how we can kind of share this knowledge with the members of our community to kind of make sure we all stay up to date as there's latest trends in AI advancements. In our vision to make AI more accessible, we've kind of released all these talks as well as this launch announcement on our website at anote.ai/paleblue. We're building a really exciting future, one where accessible AI empowers everyone everywhere. Join us in shaping that future, and thanks so much for your time.